I had to take off my catalytic converters to do some exhaust work, and so right now all I have are the exhaust manifolds coming off the engine. So I thought I'd just make a short video, let you see what that sounds like. I'll just put the camera down here and you should be able to hear it pretty good. Now I'm going to start the rebuild process. I cleaned out my catalytic converters, 2 of them, and I'm going to start reinstalling them. See if I can quiet this baby back down so it sounds like a Lexus. Hey, thanks for watching.